So you use the pilon.
I use the pilon.
But what's your favorite utensil that you use when you cook?
So my kids know I love to cook. So every year for Christmas they buy me these ridiculous kitchen gadgets. Half the time they don't work and they're not good. But there's one, have you seen it? It's for a pepper, and it's got these little spikes, and you shove it in and you twist it, and it takes everything, and it actually works. Yes, because most time those gadgets don't work. This one works, so I love that thing. I use that all the time.
And to show that everybody that you know me really well, what's the utensil that I use all the time that you laugh at me?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I was at her house one weekend morning. You were making breakfast, and Linda Yu was making bacon. But she wasn't just making bacon like we traditionally do in the frying pan. She had these chopsticks that were each about this long. I come downstairs and she's in this beautiful silk robe, looking like you just came out of a magazine, turning the bacon with the chopsticks, and literally, did I just stop and die laughing?
Yes, yes, she laughed at me, and I didn't understand why she was laughing, because I can't imagine using a fork or something else. How else do you do bacon but use chopsticks to turn it over, right?
And that makes sense, because you're not squeezing the bacon and ruining it or anything, but yeah. But these aren't just chopsticks. Where'd you get these things?
I don't
like
even
weapons.
remember, but they're really long. Yeah, that's
weapons.
so that if you've got a deep pot, right, you can, and you're not poking your hand into it. So anyway,